हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
राधे कृष्ण रमके जी। आत्मानमेवात्मतया विजानताम् तैनैव जातं निखिलं प्रपञ्चितं ज्ञानेन भूयोऽपि च तत् प्रलीयते रज्ज्वामहेर्भोगभवा भवौ यथा अज्ञानसंज्ञो भवबन्धमोक्षौ द्वौ नाम नान्यौ स्तरतद्यभावात् अजस्रचित्यात्मनि केवले परे विचार्यमाणे तरणावगाहिनी त्वामात्मानं परं मत्वा परमात्मानमेव च आत्मा पुनर्बहिर्मृग्य अहो अज्ञजनताद्यता अन्तर्भवेनन्तभवन्तमेव यत्यजन्तो मृगयन्ति सन्तः असन्तमप्यन्त्यहिमन्तरेण सन्तं गुणं तं किमुयन्ति सन्तः अथापि ते देवपदाम्बुजद्वय प्रसादलेशानुगृहीत एव हि जानाति तत्त्वं भगवन्महिम्नो न चान्यमेकोऽपि चरं विचिन्वन् तदस्तु मे नाथ स भूरिभागो भवेत्र वान्यत्र तु वा तिरश्चाम येनाहमेकोऽपि भवज्जनानां भूत्वा निषेवे तव पादपल्लवम् अहोति धन्य व्रजघोरमण्यः स्तन्यामृतं पीतमतीव ते मुदा यासां विभो वत्सकरात्मजात्मना यतृप्त येदपि न चालमध्वराः अहो भाग्यं नन्दगोपव्रजौकसां यन्मित्रं परमानन्दं पूर्णं ब्रह्म सनातनम् येषां तु भाग्यमहिमाच्युत तावदास्ताम् एकादशैव हि वयं बत भूरिभागाः एतदृशीकचषकेरसकृतपिबामः शर्वादयोङ्ग्रयदोजमध्वमृतासवं ते तद्भूरिभाग्यमिह जन्म किमत्यटव्यं यद्गोकुलेऽपि कथमाङ्घ्रिरजोऽभिषेकम् यज्जीवितं तु निखिलं भगवान् मुकुन्दः त्वद्यापि यत्पदरज श्रुतिमृग्यमेव येषां घोषनिवासिनाम् उत भवान् किं देवरातेति नश्चेतो विष्फलात् फलं त्वत्परं कृताप्यन्यमुह्यति सद्वेषादिव पूतनामपि सकुला त्वामेव देवापिता यद्धामतस्सु यत्प्रियात्मा अतनय प्राणयाशयात् त्वत्कृते तावद्रथादयस्तेनाः तावत् कारागृहं तावन्मोहोऽङ्गीडयो यावत् कृष्ण न ते जनाः प्रपञ्च निष्प्रपञ्चेऽपि विडम्ब्यसि भूतले प्रपन्न जनतानन्दः सन्देहं प्रतितुं प्रभो जानन्ति एव जानन्तु किं बहुकृत्या न मे प्रभो मनसो वपुषो वाचो वैभवं तव गोचरः अनुजानीहि मा कृष्ण सर्वत्वां वेत्सि सर्वदृक् त्वामेव जगतं नाथो जगदेततवार्पितम् श्रीकृष्ण वुल्तिकुल पुष्कर जोषदायिन क्षमाजिराध्वज पशुद्धधिवृद्धिकारिण उद्धर्मशार्वरः क्षितिराक्षस दुगार्कल्पमार्कमहन् भगवन् नमस्ते।
Radhe Krishna. Super. So nice. When the two people read together, it is beautiful experience. This Brahma Stuti is amazing. You have to see how he starts and how he ends. How does this Stuti start? Naumi Dyate Brabapushe. Naumi. Naumi means I'm doing namaskaram to you. How is it ending? Bhagavan Namaste. He's doing namaskar. Everything is contained in doing namaskaram to Krishna. That's what he is showing. Starting his worship with Naumi, ending with Namaste. There is 4 kinds of pralayas. Pralaya means what? Pralaya means the world doesn't exist. Okay? What are the 4 kinds of pralayas? One person goes into deep sleep at night. Okay? When you deep sleep at night, the world doesn't exist for that person. पास में क्या चलता है उसको मालूम नहीं रहेगा. Somebody is touching them, somebody is talking, nothing they will know. So that is called Nitya Pralaya. Okay? And then every night time of Brahma, you know the Brahma's 1,000 Chaturjugas is one day. So night time of Brahma, the 3 levels of existence, including this physical, Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, those 3 levels of existence, they disappear. And then when Brahma wakes up again there is Bhur, Bhuva, Suha, Srishti and Sthiti and all that. Okay? That is another kind of Pralaya. The third kind of Pralaya is when Brahma's 100 years are finished. Then till the time the next Brahma is created, till then there is Pralaya. The universe doesn't exist. All the 14 levels of existence don't exist. Okay? All the 14 levels don't exist. 7 up, 7 down, everything is gone. This sloka, they are talking about a 4th kind of pralaya. Jnanena bhuyopi chatat praliyate. This is the 4th kind of pralaya. What is this kind of pralaya? Because this person, due to the blessings of the Guru, due to the blessings of the Upanishads, due to the knowledge of the Rajju, Sarpa, Vidya, has figured out what is the truth and is now established in the truth and not in the Jagat. Prapanchitam Nikilam. Prapancha means made out of the Pancha Mahabhutas. So for that Jnani also, the only thing that remains is Brahma Swarupa, this Krishna. Nothing else remains. So for that person also, there is no Jagat. That is the highest level of Pralaya. Because once you are that close to the divinity, there is no coming back. You get that experience. Mrigayanti Santaha. Many saints have been searching for that experience. How do you get that experience? You get that experience only because of certain grace. And that grace has to come from where? Athapite Deva. It has to come from you, Deva. Oh Krishna, that grace for us to have that experience of this Divya Jnana, this Jnana Nishtha, it's also called Samyak Jnana. To have that, the blessing has to come from you. Where specifically from you? Padambujadvaya prasad lesha anugrihita evahi. 29th sloka. Prasadam, prasad we say, no? Even when somebody says, my name is Prasad, you have to remember Bhagavatam. What is the prasadam? There is a certain divine experience. It is a rasa sudha that is flowing from the 2 feet of this Krishna. And that we have to be blessed to get, and we have to drink that. Athapite deva padam bujadvaya prasad lesha anugrihita evahi. Lesha. Even if you get one little bit, that is going to give you this grand experience. Janati tattvam. Then the tattva becomes very clear. For other people, they may be debating, I don't understand this, I have this doubt, I have this question. For the people who are blessed by their guru, for the people who are blessed by Bhagavatam, people who are blessed by Dashmaskanda, blessed by Brahmastuti, blessed by this Krishna, everything is clear, everything is easy, everything is sweet. The way they are running their lives, tatte anukampam. So this Brahma is saying, may I also get that blessing. Bhuri bhaga. Bhaga means blessing, good fortune, good luck. Bhuri means very big. Bhuri is heavy or full or large. Bhuri bhaga. May I also get it. It doesn't matter if I get it in this janma, atra, or in some other janma, va anyatra. I don't mind. As long as you tell me, boss, तेरे को कभी तो मिल जाएगा. That's all. I don't want you to guarantee अब भी चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I am happy to think about you, think about doing namaskaram, thinking about your kripa. I will spend how many ever janmas, but at some janma, bhave, atra, va, anyatra tu va, some janma, please make sure that what I should become one of those that have got deep dedication towards your Charana Kamala. Bhavajjananam bhutva tava pada pallavam. I should have that much taste. I should have that much desire, that much shraddha to do worship towards your feet. Ye naham ekopi bhavajjananam. Any one of those janmas, please give me that blessing that I will have opportunity to do pada sevanam to you. How can I say how lucky these people in Vraja are? Aho atidanya vrajago ramanya hai. Vrajago ramanya hai. I know you as the Parabrahma Swarupa. So many yajnas are being done. Paka yajna, 7 times 3, 21 different yajnas have been listed, each one of them with hundreds of rules on how to offer the habis. Who knows whether you are physically taking all those or not? You are called parigraha, but we don't know if you are parigrahing or not. But look at the advanced luck of all these cows in this Vrindavanam Gokulam. Look at the blessing of all these mothers in Vrindavanam Gokulam. You have taken the form of each of these calves, you have taken the form of each of these children, and you have drunk their milk, sthanyamritam pitam, and you just didn't drink it. You feel so happy. Ativate muda. I cannot describe how much good fortune, how much blessing this is. Aho bhagyam, Nandagopa Brajaukasam Yanmitram Paramanandam Purna Brahma Sanatanam. Just good luck that they, all these children, got a friend like you. Yanmitram Paramanandam. The mothers are lucky, the cows are lucky, the fathers are lucky. Nandagopa Brajaukasam, because they consider you to be their child. And all these boys are lucky because they got you as a friend. Aho bhagyam, aho bhagyam. What a big blessing. Nanda gopa vrajau kasamyan mitram paramanandam. Beautiful 2 slokas. Aho ati dhanya vrajago ramanya. All these girls are so lucky. All these cows are so lucky. All these gopas are so lucky. Nanda gopa vrajau kasam. All these children are so lucky. Yan mitram paramanandam purna brahma sanatanam yeshatu bhagya mahima. Don't think I'm saying we are not lucky. We are also lucky. I got this amazing darshanam. I feel so blessed. I feel so happy. I also feel so lucky also because another reason, you have 10 indriyas in your body, no? You saw that in Gita and in Vishnu Sahasranama. Each of those indriyas has a presiding deity. And inside the Antakarana, Manasu, Chittam, Buddhi, Ahankaram, they also have presiding deities. The Ahankara's presiding deity is Rudra. The Buddhi's presiding deity is Brahma. So he's saying, while we say how lucky they are, we have to appreciate how lucky we also are. Esham tu bhagyam iha bhagya mahima achyuta tavadastam. Because me and all the other deities, we are the presiding deities for the Indriyas of all the devotees who are in Vrindavanam. Therefore, when they get to enjoy interacting with you, we get to enjoy that as the presiding deity of those Indriyas. Etad Richi Rishi Kachashakaihi Asakrit Pibamah. So we are drinking this nectar Asakrit repeatedly. So I also feel greatly happy. Angri Udaja Madhu Amrita Asavam Te. Angri Udaja. It is rising. This Amrita, this nectar, Asava. It is so nice. It is so sweet, but never you will feel like, अरे बहुत sweet हो गया, ऐसा नहीं लगेगा. You can keep drinking this nectar that has come from your feet through being the presiding deities of the Indriyas of all these devotees. We deities are also blessed. So we are also happy. We are also fortunate. The gopis are fortunate, the cows are fortunate, the gopas are fortunate, the boys and girls are fortunate, and Brahma is saying we as the devas, we are also fortunate just by having some contact with these devotees. Tad bhuri bhagyamiha janma kimapyathavyam. What a big blessing it will be if we have a janma. He asked, no, many janmas. In one of those janmas, if I become some plant, some tree, Atavya. Atavi means what? This forest. In this Brindhavana, if I could become a plant or a tree, then one of your devotees, doesn't matter who, Kathamangri, Katham. I'm not saying it has to be the dust from your feet. Somebody who lives in this Brindavana, some devotee of you will be passing by. Yet Gokulepi Kathamangri Rajo Vishekam. That Rajas will fall on my head. I will consider that to be such a big blessing. Everybody thinks Brahma Mohanam means, oh, Brahma saw all those boys where he had hidden them, all the calves where he had hidden them, and he saw all Krishna had made duplicate, therefore he got enchanted. That is minor enchantment. Then they may think, oh no, Krishna showed multiple millions of universes and he showed one Brahma, one Vishnu, one Shiva for all of them, because Brahma is saying, no, from your Romakupa, I see millions of universes coming. So on top of all those Brahmas, Vishnus and Shivas, this blue Jyoti, this Krishna is sitting. Maybe that has made Brahma Mohanam. That also is okay. He is telling us here what has caused the Brahma Mohanam. He says, your kripa is so high that somebody like Putana, Sadveshadiva Putanapi Sakula Tvameva Deva Pita. This Putana came, she was going to give you poison, and all her relatives were also like that. Bakhasura, Aghasura, all of them came to kill you. But you gave yourself to them just because they came to your feet. If your karuna is so high, then I am getting Brahma Mohanam, thinking what you are going to give to these gopas and to these gopis. That is causing Brahma Mohanam. I don't know the answer. I'm getting enchanted. Esham Gosha Nivasinam. Gosha Nivasinam. Gosha Nivasinam means people who are living in Vrindavanam. Uta Bhavan Kim. What are you going to give? Deva Rateti Kim Deva. Vishwafalat Phalam. The best phala, the best thing that can be given is you yourself. Tvat Aparam. There's nothing greater than that. And you have been given to people like Putana. Then you have to give something more, no, to these devotees. How you are going to give? I am feeling mystified by that. That is Brahma Mohan. Bhagavat Kripa, the extent of Kripa he is seeing, that has caused Brahma Mohanam. So he is saying, the worldly life is a prison. Kara griham griham. Husband is fighting with the wife. Wife is fighting with the husband. Husband thinks, this life is terrible. If I wish I had another life. Wife is saying, this life is terrible. They are each other's jailers. Karagraham. Wanting this, wanting that. This thing will give me more pleasure. That thing will give me more pressure. Thavad ragadayas sthenaha. They are thieves. All these desires rob your best time of worship. You're not able to worship because the desires are taking away your time, and you are jailers for each other. For whom? For people who do not get Bhagavatam. For people who have not obtained the satsanga. For people who have not got this taste of the nectar. For them, Yavat Krishna nate janaha tavan mohongri nigado Yavat Krishna nate janaha. Conversely, somebody has come into satsanga, somebody has opened the Bhagavatam, somebody has read Dashamaskandam, they are hearing the katha, then for them life becomes amrita. The husband enjoys the way the wife is reading. The wife enjoys the way husband is reading. The husband enjoys the way the wife is singing and offering Dolotsavam. The wife is happy with the way husband is doing that. They are happy with each other's worship. Therefore, they are happy with each other. Therefore, the wife thinks, oh, I'm so lucky I got this kind of husband. The husband feels, I'm so lucky I got this kind of wife. And they are enjoying their Krishna Bhakti together. Yavat Krishna nate janaha prapancham nishprapanchopi vidambayasi bhutale. That kind of blessing we get. Yavat Krishna nate janaha. We are highly blessed. We could have been anywhere in, maybe not even in satsanga. Somehow he has brought us to some satsanga which is so rare, so nice, so exalted. In that, we are getting to experience the blessing of all these great scriptures, all these great saints. So many saints, the way they have interacted with their divinity, we get to experience that. Vaishnava Samhita, through Bhagavatam, Ramayanam, Gita, Bhakta Charitra. Yavat Krishna Nate Janaha. He has truly made us his own. Yavat Krishna Nate Janaha. You don't have to be touched by this prapancha. But because you know all these devotees are going to be so delighted reading every one of your leelas, speaking about every one of your leelas, hearing the kirtanas, they are going to be so happy. Prapanna janata ananda sandoham. Therefore, you are taking all these avatharas. I keep talking because this is such a favorite topic of mine. Brahma is saying, but no need. Janantau eva jananta eva janantu. Jananta eva janantu. People who know, who have tasted this amazing nectar, they already know. No need to explain to them because that experience is overflowing in their heart. People who don't know, no need to explain to them. उसको समझने वाला नहीं है. तो जानन्त एव जानन्तौ मनसा manaso vapusho vacho vaibhavam tava gocharaha. For people who know, even though it is said you are Ananta, nothing can encompass your greatness. Because of your karuna, because of your grace, they are able to see your Vaibhava. Gochara means they are able to see your Mahima. Anujani Himam Krishna is saying, I kept talking, but you know everything. You are Sarvadrik. You see everything. So you can see inside my heart also. I just said, oh, please give me a birth as a plant, as a tree in Vrindavana. But you haven't said yes. So I know that you have made me to do this Jagat Srishti. So I am going to go because that is the dharma you have given me. I am going to do that. Okay. So please let me go. Having seen this beautiful Leela, I am going to keep thinking about this. Sri Krishna Vrishnikula Pushkara Joshadayin. There is a lotus. That lotus is the Vrishnikula. Vrishnikula is the Pushkara. And that one, you are the sun, because when the sun rises, the lotus blooms. The entire Vrishnikula is so happy. And you are doing all these blessing for Nirjara. Nirjara means the Devas. Kshma means Prithvi. Kshma, Nirjara, Dvija. Dvija, Brahmanas. Pashu, all the cows. Dadi Vriddhi Karin. You are the one who is making all these things become more and more prosperous, more and more blessed, more and more fortunate. I am going to go back, and every time my mind is going to keep doing namaskaram to you. Till when? Kalpam, arkam, arhanne, Bhagavan namaste. Kalpam. For him, the whole day, no? One kalpa is what? 1000 Chaturjugas, 4.32 billion years. That is one day for Brahma. Kalpam, he is going to do namaskaram every day. Kalpam. Arkam. Till the time any of these stars exist, he is going to do namaskaram. Big blessing for us to enjoy Brahma Stuti in this particular Brahma Mohana Leela. He has gone back. Now Krishna is going to get reunited with the boys who do not know that 1 year has passed by. They think that it has just been a very short time. Krishna has gone searching. That's all they are thinking.